I got the talking like little sweet thing going on again today. I don't know what the hell my problem is. Did my Pepe chickaboo? Where's my chickaboo? Wait, look. Where's you, chickaboo? What is it? Is it a boo? What is it, boo boo? Chickaboo. Sweet girls. Tater's got your baby, I told you. He's got your baby. What, get him? Got your baby. Boobies. All them babies over there, and you had to get her favorite one. Fart knocking Minky Turd. She does nothing. Just sits here. She's like, me, screw it. I feel like Dr. Evil. Except you're not Mr. Bigglesworth. You're my Dickaboo. You know, I'm retarded. Yeah. That's what I do when Steve's not home. There's nothing else to do. Oh, wait. Epic. Check this out. Be his ass. Get him, Titty. Get your baby. They'll start making funny noises here in a minute. It takes them a second. Too vicious, Tiki. Get him by his throat. Yeah, little bastard, you got my toy. There they go. Scorn Mufasa. No, wait till I get to snorting. That shit's funny. She's a good son, bitch. You took my toy. Grinch, get off me. There's so many toys on the frickin' couch. You have to have the damn frickin' pink hamburger. He's mine. You stole it. You want it? My little sniggle. Get your damn toys. What are you gonna do? Tackle your ass. Oh, now you can get up. I bet somebody me. Get him, Tiggy. He's like, I can't get up. He's got me pinned. Oh. So come here, let me bite your face. Let me bite your face. Take mine? That is, ah. What the hell? There we go. He said, I got your frickin' bone toy. What are you going to do? Nothing. She said, thanks, girl. I love you. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Debating. Do I want the toy or not? I get the one we were fighting over. No? She just said, here, look at me. I have delicious bone. You can't have it. She said, I want to dig to China. You piss me off. Screw it. Those are my babies. What can I say?